Kikhubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babahatam nagabanta ke jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Na banta ke jingkuli ka jingsio ka baret but pila ban legu ban kuli da ka education loan. Pila ruban syukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, ar riu kandai pra.
Kakunhun Menteri jong Sorkar Jella haka arpusan tarik unailar arjar arfulai kala Mynjur ban Thung yau Secretary Bapura jong Meghalaya State Council of Technical Education Shillong khenang ban pentelun syahmat yaki jingtrekam jong Polytechnic Badan Shillong tura bat Jowai hadian baka Sorkar kala temu ban nang penkha syuk sa Sautali ki Polytechnic hagane ke Jella. Kanong aikhtien jong Sorkar Jella ke Dr. Amperin Lingdo kala yaitu baga kenhun menteri kala Mynjur ru bantung ya UCP Marak kumu executive chairman jong Embos Tura baun Shimti yakane ka kam na ka benta khat ar benai. Hagane ka sngi ka kenhun menteri kala rai ru ban pen kala kerteng ya ka Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University sya ka Captain Williamson Sangma State University.
Was the appointment of a full-time Secretary of Meghalaya State Council of Technical Education, Shillong. It has been a felt need that we needed to install a full-time secretary for technical education, considering the fact that the polytechnics now are almost in several districts, Shillong, Tura, Jowai, and 4 more are also now in the pipeline. Hence, it has been seen a felt need to install a full-time secretary. The current additional director DHTE, Srimati A. Ali, will be going for retirement shortly, and it has also been decided in the cabinet that she may be the first full-time secretary of the Mscte for 24 months. So it is again a felt need that there is requirement for a full-time chairman for Embos, and the cabinet has approved the appointment of Shri C.P. Marak, retired Indian Force Officer, to be appointed as the executive chairman of the board for a period of 12 months. The change of the Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University to Captain Williamson Sangma State University. So this was legislated before on the Captain Williamson Sangma University was legislated initially in the previous years, and now we are going to be converting this nomenclature from technical university to state university for various reasons, and all line departments have already seen this proposal and have deemed it fit to make this change, and we will be taking this bill back to the floor of the assembly.